From Minecraft PAN. I'm recording again, and Aloha Sabrina said I'm gonna record now. So I will follow whatever she wants. So hey. So wow, this is Sabrina's house. It's modern, really cool house. And this right? No. This way. And if you like this server, you will just see in the description. Look in the description down below, and there's the IP and the port. And this is a cool party. Yeah. Just kidding. This is not a party. This is a house of modern word. Hey guys, and we're gonna show you how to warp, and we're gonna warp PvP. So I warp to PvP, and where is this? No, not this. When this is gonna work for, I will go there. Oh, no. Here, my house, and set what? Oh, set what? Alter house or shortcut. Okay. And here. And what? Is the no. And next, and alter the name house, my house. Okay, right there. And I'm here. So if you guys enjoy, please sure leave a like and hit that subscribe button. If you hit that subscribe button, I really appreciate your FB, or you have a FB. I will add you in the FB if you have an FB. So guys, tell me how to intro. Huh? And bye.